This is Nokia 9 PureView, and today I will show how you can add an event to calendar on this device. So to start, you will need to find and launch the calendar app. Onwards, select the date of your event. Then hit this plus sign or plus icon, tap at the event, and then add all the details necessary. So you can, set its title, time frames, time zone, repetitiveness, invite other participants, set location, configure your notifying or reminding preferences, write a brief description, and then just save it once you're ready. And that'll be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.